If you want to sign out of Yahoo Mail on all devices, this video will walk you through the exact steps in a quick and simple way. This is especially useful if you've logged in on a shared computer, changed your password, or just want to make sure no other device still has access to your account. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to sign out of all other Yahoo Mail sessions and secure your account in just a few clicks. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail in your browser and make sure you're signed into the account you want to manage. Once you're on the Yahoo Mail page, look at the top right corner and click your profile icon. This opens your account menu, where you can access your account settings. From the menu, click Manage Your Account. This will take you into your Yahoo account settings page, where you can control security options and connected activity. If you're trying to protect your mailbox or remove access from other devices, this is the section you need. Next, find and click Security. On the Security page, Yahoo shows different options related to account protection, sign-in activity, and device access. This is where you can review recent activity and take action if needed. Now click Recent Activity. Here, Yahoo displays information about the devices and sessions currently associated with your account. Take a moment to review this if you want to understand where your account has been signed in. This is a helpful step if you suspect someone else may have access or if you simply want to clean up old sessions. Once you're on the Recent Activity page, look for the option that says Sign Out of all other sessions. Click that option to instantly log out your Yahoo Mail account from every other device except the one you're currently using. This is the fastest way to make sure your account is no longer active anywhere else. After you do that, Yahoo should end the sessions on other devices, which helps protect your inbox and keeps your account more secure. If you've changed your password recently, this is one of the best extra steps you can take to make sure your account stays private. You can also come back to this area anytime if you need to review sign-in activity again later. And that's it. You've now signed out of Yahoo Mail on all other devices using the account security settings. It only takes a moment, but it can make a big difference when it comes to account safety. If this tutorial helped you out, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.